why are we going to use Python in this class? So I'm going to show you the top 5, so that way you can see my selection. So we have the top 5 are Java, Python, JavaScript, C++, and C#. So basically these are the most user-friendly to use. Also, those are the most popular. Usually JavaScript is used for applications, for web applications, and for non-web application as well. Also Python in this case is used for web apps. We can use it for internal company tools, scientific analysis, and games. So we can use it almost for anything. Python is for general use. Another thing, Python and JavaScript, those two have less syntax requirements, and they take less lines of code to have things done. So basically you can write less and do more, and they are more concise, and they use wording that are closer to human language, and they are easy to understand. So those are the main reasons why I'm choosing those two. But in this case the winner is Python, because it's for general use, at least for starters. Is a good thing. So also Python, the good thing is you can use it for almost any platform. So if you have a Windows, if you have a Mac, you can use it. If you have other platforms, you can use it as well. So for instance, you have AIX, you have Python for IBM, iOS, in this case the iPhones, you have the OS 390, Python for RISC, Python for Solaris, BMS, HPUX, and we have the alternate Python package for Linux, like I said before, and you can use it almost everywhere. So those are the main reasons why we are going to use Python. And now we're going to go to the next class, so that we can start doing some coding, and we can start doing some things. So hopefully you have enjoyed this class, and see you in the next one.